Raw data without context is like a puzzle missing half its pieces. Frustrating, confusing, and useless. Let's unlock the power of data context to turn noise into actionable insights. Hey everyone, today we're cracking the code on data context, the secret sauce to trustworthy, impactful decisions. Don't forget to subscribe for more data wisdom. What is data context? Data context answers three big questions. Where did it come from? Why was it collected? And how should we use it? Think of it as a data passport. It tells you everything you need to interpret numbers accurately. No more guesswork. Why data context matters? Without context, this number could mean planned checkups or emergencies. Misinterpretation costs lives. Or imagine launching a summer sale during a blizzard. Context isn't just helpful, it's critical. Bad data context, that's how mistakes happen. Good context, it's how you trust, uncover, and act with confidence. The 8 key components of data context. Let's break down the 8 pillars of data context. 1. Source. Where does it come from? CRM, sensors, or surveys? 2. Purpose. Why was it collected? Was it for inventory or for customer insights? 3. Collection method. Manual or automated? 4. Time frame. When was it collected or last updated? Does it require immediate action or is it ancient history? 5. Relationships between data can show hidden insights, e.g., link marketing spend to revenue. 6. Format. Database table, JSON, or chaos. 7. Constraints. Missing data or other limitations. Flag it. 8. Metadata. Your data's user manual guiding interpretation. Metadata is your MVP here. It's the cheat code to clarity. 8 strategies to level up data context. Ready to transform your data? Here's how. 1. Leverage metadata tools. Automate tagging and lineage tracking. No more manual grunt work. 2. Enrich with external data. Mix internal data with geospatial or IoT streams for 360-degree insights. 3. AI-powered context. Let AI do the heavy lifting. NLP turns rants into trends. 4. Break silos. Collaboration creates context. Involve IT, analysts, and domain experts. And don't forget data literacy training. Teach your team to speak data fluently. Real-world impact. One manufacturer uses context to spot machine failures before they happen, saving millions. Banks use location and time data to flag suspicious transactions, protecting consumers from fraud. Context turns raw stats into actionable intelligence. Data context isn't a luxury, it's a necessity. Start by auditing your data sets today. Like, subscribe, and comment below. What's your biggest data headache?